Is assault and battery two different crimes or the same thing? In fact, in California, assault and battery are two different crimes. Assault is a deliberate act of threatening harm to another person with the present ability and places that other person in a reasonable belief of harm. For assault, you don't need to touch someone. You just have to have the ability to do so, and the other person's placed in a reasonable belief of harm. Battery in California is different. Battery is the actual touching of another person. The touching, even though slight, is harmful or offensive. The touching does not have to hurt anybody. It doesn't have to cause pain or injury. Let's give some examples here. Let's say John clenches his fist and walks over to Bob. Bob thinks he's going to get hit by John, and John's making a threatening motion to hit him, but never touches him. That is assault. But let's say John actually punches Bob. That's battery. The penalties for assault is a misdemeanor, and you could face up to 6 months in jail or a fine of $1,000. But let's say the assault is some certain people in protected occupations like a police officer, firefighter, or paramedic, then that fine can be up to $2,000 and you can face up to 1 year in jail. While battery is a simple misdemeanor as well. Battery can be a misdemeanor, but also can be a felony in California. Battery is a misdemeanor. You can face a penalty of up to 6 months in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. But let's say the battery is on someone who's a police officer. You can face up to 3 years in prison and fines of up to $10,000. A lot on battery will determine what kind of injuries. If a person has some major injuries that are called great bodily injury in California, your penalties can be multiple years in prison. So as you can see, the penalties for assault and battery are very serious in California. If you're facing these kind of charges, it's best to contact an attorney. And if you're in the California region or Southern California, give our office a call. Click on our link. Thank you.